Hello and welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing the must-study topics from electromagnetic theory. So EMT is a very important subject, especially for competitive examinations. So when you're going for an end-time preparation of EMT, you have to study these topics, okay? The concepts and also the numericals. So let's see the must-study topics from EMT. So I have included the topics based on their importance or based on their occurrences in the competitive examinations. Okay, so the first topic I have included is transmission lines. The transmission lines is a very important topic, or the most important topic you can say in EMT, especially for numericals and also for concepts. Both are important. You have to study all the basic concepts of transmission lines, the traveling of wave through the transmission lines, and also the numericals mainly connecting to Zin, Z0 and Zl. That is the input impedance, characteristic impedance and load impedance. These numericals connecting these impedances are very important, and also the propagation constant, attenuation constant and phase constant. Connecting to these various constants, numerical questions can come. So these are the most important areas, and also you have to study all the important concepts and equations from transmission lines. The second topic is connection between VSWR, reflection coefficient and impedances. The impedances can be input impedance, load impedance and also the intrinsic impedance. Okay, so the relation between these VSWR, reflection coefficient, the numericals are also important, and also the equations are very important. So when preparing for especially competitive examination, practice maximum numerical questions from this area. That is VSWR, how to find the VSWR from reflection coefficient, or the relation between the reflection coefficient and the impedances, that is load impedance and the characteristic impedance, and how can you represent the reflection coefficient in terms of the intrinsic impedances. So these are also very important. The next topic is electromagnetic wave and propagation. So a lot of questions can come from EM wave and propagation, especially numerical questions connecting to the velocity, skin depth, Poynting vector, polarization of the wave. So a lot of numerical questions can come especially from the EM wave propagation, and also the equations and concepts are very important. Theory questions can also come connected to the polarization and the EM wave properties. Okay, so that is a very important topic. The next topic is vector system, its properties and also the coordinates. Okay, so in vector system you have to study the scalar and the vector product, especially for the electromagnetic waves. Its coordinates can be represented. So the vector system, its properties are also very important, and the coordinates. There are various coordinate systems, Cartesian coordinate system, cylindrical, rectangular. So these, its relation and the representation of the vector or the wave in various coordinate systems are also very important. The next topic is electrostatics and magnetostatics. I have included both this electrostatics and magnetostatics together. So from the electrostatics you have to study the flux density, field density, Coulomb's law, the force, finding the field densities of various charge distributions, that is charge distribution over a line, over a surface or a sheet, over a sphere. All these are very important. And from magnetostatics you have to study magnetic field density, flux density, then the torque. All these are all the equations and the numericals are very important from electrostatics and also from magnetostatics. The next important topic is rectangular waveguides. So if you see EMT, or the entire waveguide topic is very important, but from this waveguide topic, if you have to choose one very important topic, means that is rectangular waveguides. A lot of questions can come: phase velocity, group velocity, cutoff wavelength, cutoff frequency, finding the dominant mode, n values. So all these are very important. Theory questions and numericals can also come. So especially if you're going for GATE exams, you can find at least one question from rectangular waveguides. Most commonly, I've seen a lot of questions coming from this rectangular waveguide area, especially for GATE exams. Okay, so that is our next important topic, which is rectangular waveguides. The last topic I've included is Maxwell's equation. There are 4 important Maxwell's equation. You have to study all the four, especially their representation in equation format, in the point form and also in integral form, both are important. You have to study the equation and also the numericals connecting to this. You can directly see the questions connecting to Maxwell's equation, and the equation will be given in the options. You have to choose it. Likewise, these type of questions can also come. Okay. So the last topic was Maxwell's equation. Now, when you're going for a competitive examination, you know that the entire syllabus, the entire subject itself is very important. But these topics which we have seen in this video are the must study topics, or the topics which you cannot exclude, especially when going for an end time preparation. Okay. So if you're preparing for any competitive examination, I really hope that you'll be finding this video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with all your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.